In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and access your saved Instagram story drafts so you never lose your creative content again. Open Instagram and swipe right from your feed or tap the camera icon in the top left corner to access the story camera. This is where all your story creations happens. Create a story by taking a photo. Instead of sharing to your story, tap the X in the top left corner. Instagram will ask if you want to save it as the draft or discard it. Tap Save Draft to keep it for later. To view your saved drafts, go back to the story camera and look at the bottom left corner. You'll see a small gallery icon. Tap it. Your drafts will appear in a separate drafts folder at the top. Tap on the drafts folder to see all your saved story content. Select any draft to edit it further, add more elements, or finally share it to your story when you're ready. And that's how you access your Instagram story drafts. This feature is perfect for preparing content in advance or saving ideas for later use.